increase your speed to create more friction. Okay? Okay, take up this, hold the shaving like this, turn upside down. Okay, and put it back here. Huh? Don't blow like this. You just blow slowly. And don't put some saliva on this. Okay. Put over this flame catcher.
Flame catcher.
Yeah, flame catcher. Yeah. To enlarge the fire. Okay.
Now you're ready to copyright.
So how to survive in the jungle? But sir, how would you survive in carnival?
Ano sabi, mahal?
Casino, bar, and bar.
Okay.
Nice, huh?